Okay, so here is our first example. We're actually looking at this and looking to see if we can eliminate something immediately because we are using elimination, which means we're trying to get one of the variables to drop out. If I were to look at my x's are lined up, y's are lined up, equal signs, and the constants are lined up, so that's awesome. When I look at this, I don't have the same number in front of my x's or the same number in front of my y's. So I want to create that myself. When I am thinking about how to do that, I'm thinking in my mind, what do 5 and 2 divide into? They both divide into 10. So I could get a 10 in front of the x's with different signs, or I can work with my y's. What do 7 and 2 divide into? They both divide into 14. It's kind of like finding a common denominator. It's called a least common multiple. I might choose to get rid of my y's because they already have opposite signs. So I think that would be easy. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by 2, because I'm trying to get a 14 by the y, and the bottom equation by a 7. When I do that, I get 4x plus 14y equals 4. And then here I get 35x minus 14y. And I might have to use my calculator here to do 83 times 7. That is 581. All right, now if I add these together, these give me 39x. This drops off, which is what I want, and this gives me 585. I'm hoping 585 is divisible by 39. It actually is. But in the real world, your answers don't have to be integers. They can be decimals and fractions, but it luckily is 15. So I go up into one of my originals, the easiest one that, you feel you can work with, doesn't really matter. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to take out the x of this top equation and replace it with 15. This gives me 30 plus 7y equals 2. Subtract 30, and I get 7y is equal to negative 28. And I divide by 7, and I get negative 4. So I can write my ordered pair as 15, negative 4. And then I can just check and see if that makes sense in my equations. 2 times 15 is 30, plus 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. 30 plus negative 28 is 2, so I got that one right. 5 times 15 is 75, minus 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. 75 plus 8 is 83, so I knew I got it right. Beautiful.